Okay, I finally installed opnsense. As you can see here, it took me a little while because I did have to install it behind my main router here, and I also had to change the IP address. So randomly I just picked that number to keep it on the same network. So this is what I have, or what I'm working with right now. So it is right here. Then you have the router, and I actually have a similar setup because I need the wireless in order to access everything. So for now, I put it back here just to play with it because I'm just getting familiar with it as well, as you can see. But this is a pretty nice, simple setup, as you can see here. So you do have to change the IP because it defaults to the 1.1, which is the network IP address for the router. So conflicting IPs is not a good thing, so that's why you have to change it. Let's see. The other reason I wanted to set this up is because the DNS on this one is pretty limited to like two, uh, what do you call it? Two services. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. I already sent them a message, but they haven't changed anything. So I want to see if this had any options for more DNSs to go through it, so I can set something up. But pretty much this is what I'm looking at here. So let's go back to the opnsense. So this is basically your dashboard here. As you can see, this is a 22.7 release, and this is just a basic install. I haven't done anything. So you can see the LAN is still 1.1. And the updates, if we go on the updates, click on that, and there's quite a bit of updates right here, as you can see. And there's that message there, so there's quite a bit of updates. I haven't updated, but you go to the bottom here and click on updates, and that's what updates that. And the updates are under firmware, which is right here. So again, I'm just getting familiar with this. So you have status, settings, changelog, updates, plugins. So you get a bunch of plugins as well. So you can use that. I got packages, but that's where that's done. So I'm not gonna go through everything here because there's quite a lot of stuff, but so far it seems pretty good, and you can change the view on that by clicking the arrow button there. So that's kind of interesting. Again, this is opnsense. It's not what do you call it? The just blank out the other sense program. I've just blanked out. Sorry about that. But anyways, this is like the derivative or the fork of that. I just blanked out on the name of that, so I apologize. But anyways, so we have pretty much everything as you see here. So I gotta look through this, but I wanted to do a quick video just to show you that you can definitely have it behind the router just to play with it, and then later on, let's see if I go to interfaces, I think. So we want to do what's it here? I can't remember. No services. Intrusion detection. Okay, that's what I think I was looking at. Maybe not. Anyways, you have to set up. It was one of these. I know that. You basically have to tell it what to what do you call it? What to scan. I haven't done any of that, but I swear it was in here somewhere. Pattern. Oh, here, interfaces. See, nothing selected, so I can tell it to check the LAN and then apply that, and now I can check all that. So I'm just starting to play with it, so just to give you an idea. But I hope that helps in terms of seeing what this looks like. So there you go. That's opnsense in a nutshell, I guess. So there you go.